Hey guys, today we're going to talk about fair use. Fair use is a legal doctrine in copyright law that allows limited use of copyrighted material without needing permission from the rights holders. It exists to promote freedom of expression and innovation, especially in areas like commentary, criticism, news reporting, teaching, research, and parody. In the US, and similarly in other countries, four key factors determine whether a use qualifies as fair use. First of all, purpose and character of the use. Is it for commercial or non-profit educational purposes? Transformative uses, such as turning footage into commentary, parody, or analysis, weigh in favor of fair use. Secondly, nature of the copyrighted work. Using factual or published works like news or instructional material is more likely to be fair use than using fictional creative content like movies or songs. Third, amount and substantiality. The less you use, the better, both in quantity and significance. Using a brief clip might be okay, but using the most important or recognizable part can still weigh against fair use. Lastly, effect on the market. If your use could replace the original and reduce its market value, that weakens your fair use claim. So, in a nutshell, simply saying fair use or crediting the original doesn't automatically make something legal. Context, intention, and how you use the content matter most. Always use caution, especially when posting online, e.g. on YouTube, TikTok, and other social media platforms. So, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.